Today I'm making chicken marsala. I've got 2 large chicken breasts which I've split in half to make thin fillets, salt and pepper, 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 4 ounces of mushrooms cleaned and sliced, a small onion finely chopped, some fresh parsley, just under 300 mils of chicken stock made with a cube. I've got 100 mils of Marsala, which is a Sicilian wine. It's a bit like sherry. Some single cream, some olive oil and some butter. I've covered the chicken in cling film. Now I'm going to bash the pieces to make them thinner and to tenderise them. So the fillets are nice and thin now, so I'm going to just dip them in flour and shake off the excess. So I'm melting the oil and butter in the pan, and I'm going to fry the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until it's cooked. With it being only thin, it shouldn't take long. So the chicken's browned on both sides now, so I'm going to set it aside on this plate, and then we'll put it back once we've made this creamy mushroom sauce. So it's into the pan with the onion, the garlic, and the mushrooms. So we're going to give these a good old stir and cook them until they're browned on both sides. Next thing is to add in the Marsala, and then we'll cook that for a minute or 2 to burn off the alcohol. Next is the chicken stock. Now we're going to cook that now to reduce it to about half. Then we'll put the chicken back in. So it's reduced down now quite a bit. So I'm going to add in the cream, and that should thicken it up nicely. So I'll put the parsley in, and I'm putting the chicken back in, and I'm going to simmer it gentle for about 5 minutes, and then that's job done. So there you go, chicken marsala. Absolutely gorgeous, that sauce. It smells wonderful. Can't wait to tuck in. This is not all for me though, I am sharing it with someone. See you later, bye.